We're back with another video. We got Brax, Tina, Hayden, and we're on the lake today. We're gonna be trying to catch crappie, white bass, and largemouth on the lake today. We're gonna try to catch, if we catch any or enough, we're gonna try to do it catch, clean, and cook with Braxton, maybe, but Hayden's gonna be the one filming the rest of the day. Braxton, what'd you do?
I had a big crappie and I just lost it.
He literally had it right here. He went to grab his line to pull it up and then it just flopped.
Snapped off.
Perfect one to eat. This close. Dang. Well, I think here before long we're gonna take out the little two-man boat and then we're gonna go hit some lily pads and crap.
Yeah.
So maybe we will redeem ourselves. You got another one, Braxton?
I'm having them now. I'm getting some bites.
Yeah. We will pick up whenever we get another bite.
This one might be a bass.
He's on. Oh, bluegill. It's literally the cast after Braxton just missed this last one.
Yeah.
Well, that's a bluegill. Nothing big. Just a little bluegill.
Big, but
Little bluegill.
yeah.
Hey, at least you didn't lose it this time.
Yeah.
I'm busting out the little Doc Demon with a little
Let me.
jig.
My fish.
He's been catching them all over that. I'm gonna try to jig this in this area, but Braxton just got another one, so we need big crappie to eat like that one he lost.
Listen, I actually got the hook in my finger, but I ripped my skin.
Alright, we'll pick the camera back up when we get another one. Got a little crappie on a jig. Not big, he ain't big enough to eat, but Braxton keeps thinking he has one. He hooks a seaweed every time, but we'll get back to you whenever Braxton actually catches a fish. What are you doing?
Reeling in mine.
Oh, okay.
We can't do the catch and cook because we didn't catch enough fish.
No, it's because Braxton let the only one we caught that was big enough to
Oh.
But
today we're gonna be fishing in third pond.
Tonight and tomorrow morning.
Yep, tomorrow morning.